Everyone, this is Luis from just88.com, and today we're going to be making corned beef brisket as part of a collaboration with Pickles Barbecue. Let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
For this flat cut corned beef brisket recipe, we need brown sugar, Grey Poupon, mustard, and your flat cut corned beef brisket. As you purchase most flat cut corned beef brisket, it comes with a packet of spices and herbs, and it's nice to have, but we wouldn't need to have it, so we saved it for another recipe.
What did you say?
Dunk the corned beef hash brisket into the pot, fat side up. Which would be... Oh, they trim most of the fat. So I believe it's this one. And you leave the corned beef brisket in the pot until it starts boiling. I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A couple of minutes later, drain the water from the pot. Next, I'm going to be transferring the corned beef brisket from the pot onto the sheet of aluminum foil. Next, I'm going to be rubbing the entire bottle of Grey Poupon Dijon mustard generously and liberally onto the corned beef brisket.
Wow! Nice. Massage this baby.
The cooking term, I believe it's called kneading? Kneading. Like I'm needing to take a shower.
You kneading?
Or I'm
the
needing
meat?
to eat something. It's called kneading.
Oh, you marinating like that?
Yes, that's the proper cooking term. Kneading is the proper cooking term for massaging either a rub or a marinade. Make sure you coat and cover every nook and cranny throughout the corned beef brisket. So we're working or dealing with a 2.8 pound corned beef brisket. So next I'm going to be rubbing 3 tablespoons of brown sugar onto the brisket.
What are you doing? Kneading the meat? What?
I'm kneading the brown sugar onto the brisket.
Okay. I like how it crystallizes, though.
Yeah, it's supposed to act as a glaze.
Yeah, I see that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here goes another heaping spoonful of brown sugar. Instead of using your hands like I did to flip the brisket, we suggest use a pair of tongs. And there has to be an easier way to do this.
Yeah, I think that, like, you would use the tongs to flip it.
Okay. Gently knead it in.
So it's 1 cup of brown sugar so far.
Yes, that's 1 cup of brown sugar. So make sure you get every crevice within the brisket. Don't leave any bare spots or bare areas. Okay, and this looks like it's fully coated now. Okay. Next, I'm going to cover it with the foil. I'm going to cover the corned beef brisket loosely. When I say loosely, I mean that there needs to be some pockets of within the foil where the brisket needs to breathe. That's what I mean by loosely. Afterwards, I'm going to transfer it onto the Pyrex. Next, I'm going to be moving the biscuit into the oven for 2.5 hours. This is what the corned beef brisket looks like after 1 hour of cooking. Now that the corned beef brisket is fully cooked, I'm going to uncover the corned beef brisket and I'm going to turn on the broiler for a couple minutes to caramelize the top. So, as you can see, folks, this is the corned beef brisket. I did broil the top for a couple minutes, but it didn't really seem like it would caramelize. It didn't seem like it caramelized all that much. That's my first time using the broiler on this oven, by the way. And now we're going to transfer the corned beef brisket onto a plate so we can carve it. Make sure you click on the hashtag link, Cornedbeeftwist. Okay, it looks like it's thoroughly cooked, fully cooked. Now I'm gonna cut it against the grain. Oh, it's moist and it's tender. The meat just falls apart.
Nice.
See how moist it is?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you can eat this with cabbage. You can eat it with carrots. You can eat it with asparagus. We're going to be having it with bacon wrapped asparagus. So comment down below how you're going to be celebrating your St. Patrick's Day. And comment also comment down below how you would prepare and cook this corned beef brisket.
Mm-hmm.
Give this food a try. Make sure you click on the hashtag link, Cornedbeeftwist, to check out other corned beef recipes. The brisket, tender, delectably delicious. The scalloped potatoes, creamy, lip-smackingly luscious. And the asparagus, supremely scrumptious. Make sure you click on the hashtag link, Cornedbeeftwist, to check out other corned beef recipes. Hold on.
You're
Sorry, I was gonna laugh. I didn't want to laugh on film. Okay,
Okay,
ready.
go.
Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends and family. Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, haters. Make sure you click on this to go to the next video.
And your eyes are like on the plate the whole time.
You told me to freeze.
Yeah, I told. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on a sec. Hey, haters. This is Luis from Just 88, and I'm going to be trying.
We are launching a motivational channel as well, so keep an eye out for that, haters. And so, if you're wanting to stay up to date with Just 88, hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and be an hater too. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.
Yeah.
Make sure you click on the hashtag link Cornedbeeftwist to check out other corned beef recipes.